So, welcome to our worked example of how to use the charge current time equation in the arrangement of time equals charge divided by current. So, as you remember, the units that our answers for each of these need to be in are seconds for time, coulombs for charge, amps for current. So, in these questions, it's ensuring that coulombs and amps measures that you've got are converted back to coulombs and amps before you carry out the division of the equation. So let's have a look at a couple of worked examples. So determine the time taken when 64 coulombs of charge is transferred by a current of 8 amps. So we've got charge in coulombs, which is great. We've got current in amps, so we don't need to do any conversions. So simply, all we have to do is plug our answers into the equation of charge divided by current. So we know that our charge is 64 coulombs and our current is 8 amps. So if you divide both of those, 64 divided by 8 will give you an answer of 8. Now, don't forget that time here, as we said up top, is measured in seconds. So it's 8 seconds as our answer. Right, let's have a little look at the next work example. So we know that our equation is time equals charge divided by current. So our charge here is 56 kilocoulombs. Okay, and we've got a current of 7 amps. So our current is in the form that we need. However, we need to convert between coulombs and coulombs and kilocoulombs. So if we want to move between here and here, we have to multiply by 1000. So 56,000 coulombs is the same as 56 kilocoulombs. But before we carry out our division, we need our unit to be in coulombs. So now that we've got that, we simply plug our values into the equation. 56,000 divided by 7. So if you pop that into a calculator, you end up with 56,000 divided by 7 gives you 8,000. Now this is time in seconds. Now 8,000 seconds, if you wanted to convert it into minutes, you would divide it by 60. So it would be 133.3 minutes as well. So if you felt that that number was too big to quantify, you can always convert it into a different measure of time to make it easier to understand. So, two worked examples on how to use time equals charge divided by current.